Hello, juniors. Today's task is to update your profile so that it is ready for a professional setting. Remember that we're going to be using these for potential intern applications, job applications, so you want to make sure that the photos you choose and the look that you create is appropriate for that setting. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the About Me setting, and you've got two options, two things that you need to update. You need to change this background photo to something that's not just the stock photo, and you need to change your cover photo so that it is a picture of you and not a smiley face. To do so for your cover photo, you'll hover over this icon and click Change, and then you can upload pictures from any locations: Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Drive, or OneDrive for Microsoft, or you can just pull one off your laptop if you've got something saved. And if you have nothing, then we can do some quick headshots for you in the courtyard and have a fairly recent picture for you. The important thing when you're choosing a profile picture is to make sure that it shows your face clearly, because when you go in for these interviews, if necessary, or maybe you'll do them over Teams or Zoom or Meet, you want to be identifiable as the person in your profile, right? So it should not be too old of a picture, though a year or two old is probably not too old and would still look mostly like you. The other piece you'll need to update is your cover banner. And to do so, you can click on the icon again and upload from anywhere you choose. And if you are like, I have nothing I want to put back there, start searching Google and just search banner scientific or banner colorful and just pick something that you feel you like. This is supposed to convey a little bit about you, not a lot, but just a little bit about your personality. So pick something that you think is lovely and pretty and you want to put out there.